Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Today we have with us a premium smartwatch from Amazfit and it's the Amazfit GTR 4, which is the latest smartwatch in the GTR series. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and will show you the features of this smartwatch. So here is the box of the GTR 4. In the front we have the Amazfit branding and here we have the picture of the smartwatch and the model GTR 4 written here. And it's a business and sports flagship smartwatch. At this side, we can see it comes with a built-in Alexa. And here we can see the key features such as large 1.43-inch AMOLED display, dual band and 5 satellite positioning system, easy 24 hours health management, and you get ultra long battery life. At the back we can see the companion app Zepp, which is available for both Android and iOS platform. And this smartwatch is powered by Zepp OS. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here we have another box and inside it we have the smartwatch itself and you can see the tagline "Up Your Game." And guys, my first impression about this smartwatch is that it feels really well built and it does look and feel premium. And also, we have the black silicone strap model here, and apart from that, it's also available in the leather strap option. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user manual, which has the info about the watch features in different languages. And then here we have the charging dock. And guys, it's magnetic, and here is how it connects at the back of the smartwatch. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit GTR 4 is the latest in the GTR series, and apart from the GTR 4, company also has launched the GTS 4, which has a square form factor. Now looking at the design and build quality, no doubt this watch feels premium with the aluminum body, and we have the brush finish at the edges which gives it a nice look and feel. We also get these small lines all around the watch which looks pretty good. The straps are also of good quality, and here we have very comfortable silicone straps which comes with the Amazfit branding. In terms of the overview, we have the 1.43-inch AMOLED HD display in this smartwatch, which has a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. You get the tempered glass in it, along with the anti-fingerprint coating and the anti-glare bezels. Looking at this side, we have two buttons, and yes, we have a crown on the top with the red accent, along with this push button at the bottom. At the back of the smartwatch, we have the sensors. We get the Bio Tracker 4.0 PPG biometric sensor in this smartwatch. And you also get other sensors such as acceleration, gyro, geomagnetic, barometric, and also the ambient light sensor for the auto brightness. And then at the back we have the speaker and mic for calling. In terms of the battery, we have the 475 mAh battery in this smartwatch, which the company claims can easily last up to 14 days. So overall, the Amazfit GTR 4 is a good looking premium smartwatch, and design and build quality wise, we're really happy with this product. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here the watch is on, and for pairing, we need the companion app Zepp. And to pair, just go to the add device section and then select the watch from the list and then scan the QR code. And that's it. Now your smartwatch is paired with your phone. And guys, as soon as you pair the watch with the phone, immediately we got an update with these changes. So the update is now finished. Now let's go through the watch features first. So guys, the first thing we noticed is this beautiful looking display. The colors are vibrant and the display is very sharp. And now about the features. So here we are on the watch face, and you can switch between different watch faces by long pressing on the screen. And also, you can add more from the companion app. And here in this smartwatch, you also get the animated watch face support. Swiping down from the top will show you the quick settings, and here we have the battery, DND, theater mode, brightness, and the settings of the watch. There is also one more page here, and here you have the torch, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. We also get this water ejection mode, which allows you to eject water from the speaker. Swiping up from the bottom will show you the notifications, and then we have the shortcut cards, which you can access by swiping right or left on the watch face. I must tell you here that the touch response is very good and there is no lag in the menu, and I didn't see even a minor stutter or lag while going through the pages. To access the main menu, you would need to press the crown button once. The bottom button is for shortcut apps, which is by default is set to work out. So here we have the main menu, and you can go through this list with the touchscreen or using the crown. With the crown, you get the haptic feedback, which feels very good. And here also, the menu is lag free, which we expect from a premium smartwatch. So in the menu first we have the PI, which shows you a score based on your fitness activities. And then we have the heart rate. And guys, you get the all-day heart rate monitoring in this smartwatch. And the data is quite accurate. And also, the detection is fast. And one more thing, you have the wear detection in this smartwatch. So this watch will not show you the false data when you're not wearing the watch or when it's on the table. Similar results we have seen with the SpO2 monitoring. And here as well, it's quite fast. There is also a one-tap measurement option, which we have also seen in the GTS 3. And in this, the watch measures the heart rate, SpO2, stress, and the breaths per minute at one go. And guys, this is still my favorite feature in the GTS 3, and I'm really happy to see this in the GTR 4. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the workout, and here we have different workout modes. And again, you get plenty of options in this smartwatch. And in total, you get 150 plus sports modes, which are neatly categorized. And this is the interface you get while working out. And guys, you can also customize the interface as per your choice. Next we have the workout history, and here we can see the workout details as well as your personal best in different workout modes. After that we have the workout status, and here you can see the things like training load and VO2 max. And then in the menu we have the stress, and here you will see a score letting you know how stressed you are. After that in the menu we have the activity, and here we have the current day step count and also the calories burned, distance walked, and the standing and sitting time. Then in the menu we have the sleep, and here you can see the last night's sleep details, and this watch also supports nap monitoring. And then coming back to the menu, then we have the phone option, and here we have the calling function such as recent calls, contacts, which you can sync through the app, and then the dial pad to make a new phone call. And for calling, you need to enable it through the app for the first time. And about the performance, we will talk in a moment. And then we have the membership cards, and here you can add your loyalty cards, but I'm not sure how useful it's going to be in India. After that we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather conditions along with some additional activity details. And here we have the weather forecast for the upcoming few days. And then in the menu we have the music. In this smartwatch, you can control the music playing on your phone and also listen to the music from the watch speaker itself. And you can also add more songs from the companion app. There is one more option here by which you can connect Bluetooth earphones with the watch. And this way, you can listen to the songs stored on the watch using a true wireless earphones without carrying a phone with you. Then in the main menu, we have the alarm, calendar, which you can also sync with your phone. And then we have the watch settings. We will check the settings in a moment. Let's see the other options first. So we get the sun and moon, and here you can see the sunset and sunrise timings, as well as the moonset and moonrise timings. After that we have the compass, and here we have the pressure and the altitude information in the compass. After that in the menu we have the barometer, and here you can see the current air pressure, and also you get the storm alert option, and in this the watch will notify you in case if there is any sudden drop in the air pressure. And then in the menu we have the cycle tracking for females, and then we have the breathe menu by which you can do some breathing exercises to calm yourself down. And then we have the usual stopwatch, countdown with some preset timers, and the find phone option. After that we have the world clock, to-do list, voice memos, and also the Pomodoro timer for better focus. And then lastly we have the camera remote, which you need to enable from the app. Now let me show you the settings of the smartwatch. So in the settings, first we have the watch face and time, and here you can select different watch faces and also adjust date and time format. After that we have the Wi-Fi settings, and once connected, you will have better speed for installing new watch faces and also for Alexa. And then in the settings we have the Bluetooth settings, and after that we have the display settings, and here we have the brightness settings. And as mentioned earlier, we have the ambient light sensor in this smartwatch, and due to that we get the auto brightness. Then in the settings we have the screen on duration, and after that we have the always on display settings. And here you can select the timings for the AOD and also the AOD style, which you can set as to follow the watch face or use the pre-installed styles. And I must say that the AOD style options we have in this watch looks very good. And then in the settings we have the wake on wrist raise option, which is a raise to wake feature, and it works quite well. You also get the double tap to wake up the screen, and also you can turn off the display by covering it with your palm. After that we have the screen color style, and here you can choose between the natural and vivid, and I personally find the vivid color style very good. And then we have the theme style, and here we get 3 icon style options. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the sound and vibration settings, and here you can select ring for alert and other vibration settings. Then we get some workout settings, and here we have the auto workout detection. And guys, this time you get plenty of options for the auto workout detection, which is again very good. After that we have the GPS settings, and as mentioned earlier, you get the dual band GPS and also the 5 satellite positioning system in this smartwatch. And here you have the settings, and you can choose between the accuracy, which uses a dual band GPS, and also all the satellites for better accuracy. And then we have the balanced, which uses a single band GPS and satellites such as GPS and GLONASS. After that we have the battery saving mode, which use a single band GPS, and also the low power GPS to save battery. You also get this custom mode, and here you can select the GPS satellites as per your requirements. After that we have the preferences, and here you can set the upper and the lower button quick start app. And then we get some customization options such as list style for the menu. And then we have the offline voice control feature, and here you can see the offline voice commands. In the settings, we have this time the battery management option, which shows you the features which are consuming more battery, and you can turn them off directly from here. And also, you can see the most used features here which consume more battery. After that we have the usual power off, reset and the restart option. So guys, as you can see, this smartwatch is filled with a lot of options and features, and you're getting everything you can think of in a smartwatch. Apart from these features, you also get the mini app support, which you can access through the companion app, and here you can select the mini apps you want to install on the smartwatch. And now about the app, the companion app Zepp is my favorite app for any smartwatch. And here you have neatly categorized health data on the home page. On the settings page, we have the connected device on the top along with the battery. And here we have the health monitoring features such as auto heart rate frequency, and then some sleep and stress monitoring settings. You also get the auto SpO2 monitoring in this smartwatch. And then in the app settings, we have the notifications and reminders, and here you can select the apps for which you want the alert on your smartwatch. And talking about it, here is how you get the text alert. And guys, you get the preset reply feature in this watch, which works without any problem. And also, you get the emoji support in this smartwatch. And now, let me show you the call alert. And as you know, it's a calling smartwatch, you can accept or reject the call from the watch itself. And you can also switch the audio from the phone and the watch from here. And about the performance, the mic clarity is very good, and you can take calls with this watch without any problem. And then in the settings we have the watch face store, and here you have the available watch faces for this smartwatch. And I'm really happy to see a lot of animated watch faces this time. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the app store by which you can install the mini apps onto your watch. And then we have the watch settings, which is basically the same you get on the watch. After that we have few customization options for the app list and the shortcut cards, which you can do as per your choice. And then we have the Alexa settings, and guys, about the Alexa, the performance is very good and the response time is also very less, and you get the response through the inbuilt speaker. So overall the Amazfit GTR 4 is a feature-rich premium smartwatch. Feature-wise, you're getting a lot of things in this smartwatch. Design, build quality, and the display of this watch is one of the best I have seen in a smartwatch, which is priced around 15,000 rupees. I personally like the crown button haptic feedback, and the touch is also quite responsive. The fitness data is accurate, and this watch is really comfortable on the hand, though it looks big, but I didn't face any problem using this watch for sleep tracking. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a sophisticated and elegant looking smartwatch with all the latest features and sensors, then we highly recommend you to check out this newly launched smartwatch from Amazfit. And I can say that it's the best premium smartwatch you can buy right now for around 15 to 16,000 rupees. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Amazfit GTR 4 smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.